Hey guys, and thank you so much for tuning back into my channel. I am Dr. Linz, and today we're going to do one of my favorite kind of videos, which is a supplement review, a very popular supplement that I get asked a lot about from many women. But before I get into it, don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss another helpful video. Okay, so what is the supplement that we're reviewing today? We are reviewing Hormone. Okay, so when I saw Phorm come out with a product like Hormone, I was like, heck yes, I need this, and I know a lot of women that can benefit from a supplement like Hormone, and the reason being is because this is going to help naturally aid in balancing out our hormones. Hello, which helps with a billion things, okay? But just to sum it up, things like clearing up our skin, so think hormonal acne, PMS, cravings, and our mood. So like mood swings, that kind of goes hand in hand with PMS. This is a big bulk of what Hormone helps with. I'm going to go into break down some of the ingredients that are in there because I always like y'all to know what's in here and why it works. Just a few ingredients. I don't want to bore you. But then also I want to share my experience at the end and then other things that I've heard from other ladies taking Hormone. Okay, first and foremost, if you know me, you know I like my adaptogenic herbs, okay? I know y'all who I've helped, you know I love these adaptogenic herbs. What are adaptogens? This helps our body adapt or take on more stress without feeling the stress. Does that make sense? So the adaptogens help our body adapt. So the two in here I absolutely love. Numero uno is ashwagandha and numero dos is maca root. So ashwagandha that's in here, it's the highest quality form that you can get, which is, I absolutely love that. You know, guys, I'm all about that quality. Now, these two adaptogenic herbs I'm kind of gonna bulk together, but they both really help with anxiety, mood, decreasing stress, so anxiety, stress, decreasing both of those, and then also decreasing that cortisol hormone, which is our stress hormone. So that all really makes sense. So if you're like me, I feel stress a lot of the times. I feel very anxious, especially around my periods. I notice that change and that big flux in hormones. This has really helped that time in between, like the PMS time, to really keeping me more stable because it has helped balance out my hormones in that way. Another big thing that I love that's in here is DIM. DIM is going to help decrease acne. So again, let's think about that hormonal acne around that chin area. It's also going to help with estrogen metabolism, which is huge because a lot of times we have poor gut health and we need some more help with that estrogen metabolism. Having an imbalance in estrogen, for example, like I can tell when my estrogen has increases, I'll get really bad cramping and heavy periods and a longer duration as well. So that can indicate an estrogen imbalance. And then DIM can also help with a weight loss. Hello, balancing out hormones. It's going to help with our fat loss, okay? And then also premenstrual symptoms like I went over before, cramping, headaches was a big one for me. Those are just a few ingredients in Hormone that I absolutely love to see because it is going to actually help balance out those hormones, and then we'll eventually experience a relief in symptoms that we're feeling with those imbalanced hormones. So I kind of already went over how this has helped me in between explaining the different ingredients in this product, but overall I started getting some hormonal headaches, which was really weird because I never have gotten hormonal headaches before. So I did add in Hormone when I could tell I was getting hormonal headaches. My cramping was getting worse again. I had tender breasts and then also very heavy periods. And this came back. I got rid of those things and it started coming back. So I added in the Hormone and I noticed those relief of symptoms. And of course, when we're working on balancing things out, food is important, okay? Food's always important. And then also giving our body time to change and adapt on the inside to then feel those things be relieved. So those were the big things that I noticed when I implemented in Hormone personally. So things I've noticed with ladies taking Hormone and what they've told me in return is one thing, a lot of ladies are getting off of birth control recently. So been on birth control for long periods of time and they are implementing in then the Hormone to help rebalance out those hormones because remember, birth control doesn't fix hormones. It actually kind of puts a band-aid over it and controls our hormones in a fake or synthetic way. So ladies that are getting off the birth control, they've implemented this in. I've also seen ladies with PCOS and endometriosis, or ladies going through menopause, add in Hormone and help relieve some of their symptoms. With Hormone, there's 30 servings in there, and it is directed to take 2 capsules a day, and I always recommend taking it with food and water. Now, I'd like to also add in that no supplement ever replaces medication, and always check with your doctor or primary care physician if you have any questions or concerns. There it is, a short and sweet review of Hormone, something that I have added into my daily routine and absolutely love for myself. And I know many ladies that I recommend this to have loved implementing it into their routine as well to help naturally balance out their hormones. If you have any questions, please put them below in the comments. I'll put this link of Hormone below in the description. It does help support me. If you'd like to enter into my raffle, which I highly recommend, shoot me an email with your order. I'll put that below in the description as well. All right, guys, I hope this was helpful. Let me know. Love you so much and have a great day.